Bangalore-based company Solos has launched ChatGPT 4 integrated AirGo Vision smart sunglasses. These sunglasses feature real-time visual recognition, hands-free operation, and AI capabilities. Users can operate them with voice commands to use the camera, recognize objects, answer questions, translate text, and ask for directions. The AirGo Vision weighs 42 grams and can handle up to 2,300 interactions on a single charge. Their price ranges from approximately 9,000 to 26,000 rupees. They are set to compete with Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses, which use Meta AI.